We are at the showground in Trinity. We've had the largest skills show we've ever run on Ireland.
We've got a lot to showcase here today. We have a lot of people who are incredibly proud of what they do on a day-to-day basis.
We want to recruit the local students, we want to interact with them, show them the opportunities that are available to them on the island.
Events like this are really important just to highlight all of the opportunities that are here in Jersey. And it's not all about maths and being an accountant.
Outside we've got all blue light uniform services, but we've also got social care, teachers, nursing, engineering.
It's great to be able to interact with the children and kind of speak to them around how we can save lives and make a difference to our community.
The opportunity to develop a career in something that they could do for the rest of their lives and grow doing that.
So you can try new things. So I kind of want to be a police officer.
We're all here because we want to connect with the next generation.
We've got some great exhibits here. We've been looking at the models. Some of them actually want to take on architecture, which is great.
Well, it's a little mix of everything today at Digital Jersey, so with lots of talks from cross-industry.
There's a lot of technology involved in all the stuff that we do. It's very exciting.
It's so important to the island that we do this. All of our jobs are always changing, we're always progressing. We've all got to continue learning throughout our life. Thank you to all the exhibitors' employers, we couldn't do it without you.